Uniswap value equivalent to $5.9071 a coin. The present reach: $5.8486, $6.0339. The earlier day close: $6.0125. The change was 0.1054, 1.75%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to UNI. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 UNI to United States dollars forecasts for December 2023. To start with, cost at $6.01. Greatest cost $7.49, least cost $5.12. The normal for the month $6.16. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.01, change for December 0.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $6.01. Most extreme cost $6.01, least cost $5.21. The normal for the month $5.71. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $5.60, change for January 6.8%. UNI to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. Initially cost at $5.60. Most extreme cost $6.11, least cost $5.31. The normal for the month $5.68. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $5.71, change for February 2.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place, cost at $5.71. Greatest cost $5.71, least cost $4.46. The normal for the month $5.17. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $4.80, change for spring 15.9%. UNI to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with, cost at $4.80. Greatest cost $5.96, least cost $4.80. The normal for the month $5.28. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.57, change for April 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost, cost at $5.57. Most extreme cost $6.26, least cost $5.44. The normal for the month $5.78. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $5.85, change for May 5.0%. UNI to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. In the first place, cost at $5.85. Greatest cost $5.85, least cost $5.01. The normal for the month $5.53. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.39, change for June 7.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else, cost at $5.39. Most extreme cost $5.39, least cost $4.51. The normal for the month $5.04. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.85, change for July 10.0%. UNI to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. At the outset, cost at $4.85. Most extreme cost $4.85, least cost $4.21. The normal for the month $4.61. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.53, change for August 6.6%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else, cost at $4.53. Most extreme cost $4.79, least cost $4.17. The normal for the month $4.49. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.48, change for September 1.1%. UNI to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. In the first place, cost at $4.48. Greatest cost $5.56, least cost $4.48. The normal for the month $4.93. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.20, change for October 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at $5.20. Greatest cost $5.20, least cost $4.27. The normal for the month $4.82. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.59, change for November 11.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at $1.58. Most extreme cost $1.80, least cost $1.56. The normal for the month $1.66. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.68, change for January 6.3%. Unity United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Initially cost at $1.68. Most extreme cost $1.68, least cost $1.31. The normal for the month $1.52. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.41, change for February 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $1.41. Greatest cost $1.75, least cost $1.41. The normal for the month $1.55. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.64, change for spring 16.3%. Unity United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.64. Greatest cost $1.98, least cost $1.64. The normal for the month $1.78. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.85, change for April 12.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at $1.85. Most extreme cost $1.85, least cost $1.44. The normal for the month $1.67. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.55, change for May 16.2%. Unity United States dollars expectations for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.55. Greatest cost $1.55, least cost $1.21. The normal for the month $1.40. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.30, change for June 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2026. To start with cost at $1.30. Most extreme cost $1.62, least cost $1.30. The normal for the month $1.43. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.51, change for July 16.2%. Unity United States dollars expectations for August 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.51. Greatest cost $1.87, least cost $1.51. The normal for the month $1.66. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.75, change for August 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2026. Before